So what we're talking about is we have a bunch of areas here and they're all kind of marker, right? So when we do this, one of the things that we can do and one of the ways that we can help our projects, and this might not work out quite as well as I think it should, but sometimes markers have a tendency of being just a little bit streaky. You know what I mean? And the other thing that we can do is we can also go in there and just add a little bit more to it. It's better when your project is like dry, because this is, I just put this down, so if I had waited overnight, it would be completely dry and it's really good then. So just let you know, but we can take with the darker colors. These are Prismacolor pencils. They are kind of expensive. They're really nice. This is not, but the ones that have like this writing here or this writing here, they're a little bit softer and they're very, very nice pencils. And one of the things that you can do is you can go into your marker areas with these and you can go over your marker areas and kind of add a little more depth to your color with it. I'm not saying that you have to color over all of it, but with the darker colors, you can use lighter colors on top of it and it will kind of get in there and blend in. And then there's also white ones in here. Is this a Prismacolor? Yeah. And they're real soft, but they can take and they can make everything a nice, dense color. Like they can add what's called a little more saturation to the hue with the yellows and things like that. Okay, that white doesn't work quite well on there, but maybe red. This is a Crayola one. I don't know if this will do it, but this orange, yeah, it comes in here and it adds a nice little differentiation to that color as well. So what you can do with Prismacolors is you can go over some of the areas that you have, and I'm not saying we have to do this with all of them, but I can also take in some of my areas. Okay, so if we talk about this pink area right here, this might do well with like a lighter pink over the top of it just to get it a little bit more saturated. And then the other thing we can do is if we have some areas with black that got a little bit fuzzy, we can pull those out and make it just a tiny bit tighter. You know what I mean? Like a fuzzy line can be made tighter with the color pencil because there's a lot more control with it. Okay? All right, thank you.